Be fine.
Hello everyone, I'm Zofi from China Cicada Dental Company, and today it's my pleasure to introduce my company to you all. Cicada is based on 5th and the 2nd floor of Tower B5 in Guangdong New Line Resource Basement, including our factory, canteen, and office. So I believe that must be a new awareness of who we are and what we do. So if you want to figure out what is going to hold your attention, please follow my step and make a visitation.
Welcome to the Cicada Face Floor. These two front desks belongs to our two colleagues from the purchasing department and come with me here. And here is the display cases. This one is the dental loops. Here is our handpieces. Here is our electricity motor. There are so many LED cooling lights. And here's the endo actuators, and here is the endo motors, and come with me. And here is our break room. This is our. And this line is for our artist work and operations and administrators. And this line is for the domestic salesmen. And the last one is for our foreign salesmen. And here is a separatist room. It's for our financial department.
Be fine.
Yes, we use this machine to produce files. The file's shape and size can be customized. Then the file will be sent to this short package. You can see our workers are do the package like here. And this machine also is used for packing the endo file.
Hello, I am Karina. It's time to me to introduce our electronics workshop. Follow me. Here, right? This workshop is production the queuing line for new model and implant model, freezing machine, and endo model series. So you can see now they are assembled the implant models for the PCB ball and the wire. So here is for the endo model. It's assembled from the PCB ball model inside. When all is done, it will be sent to the quality inspection department for quality inspection. After that, they will be sent to the packaging workshop for packaging and charging, so it will deliver out. Okay, thank you.
This is our handpieces workshop. This is our auxiliary storage area. We can see that our energetical families are focusing on the assembling and manufacturing handpieces areas. This is our electronic workshop. It will mainly for the electronic informal products. We can see that clearly see that our workers are working on the assembly part of in an orderly manner.
Now we're in the hardware department. The accessories of Cicada products are mainly produced from here. The raw materials, molds, and accessories of the products are processed by machine tools and then cleaned and preliminarily assembled by our staff. The hardware department is also equipped with a processing workshop to carry out sandblasting and some post-treatment processes for product accessories. Afterwards, these accessories will be sent to the assembly workshop.
Welcome to our product inspection room. You can see that we now are checking our handpiece for the cutting effect and the track effect. All the inspection are checking by here. Okay, here's our curing light and the motor. And now we are checking about the line intensity. And you can see we have many machines to ensure our product is in good quality. Hello, I'm Rachel. Welcome to our agent workshop. Every product with the battery inside will be sent to the agent line. In this workshop, we will test each battery of the product and see which one is qualified and which one is unqualified. The good one will be sent to the next step package, and the one with problem will be returned to the workshop with the problem details inside. Worker will test each product with its performance and battery, so be assured that each product coming from Cicada will be the good one.
As you can see, we have been working hard to meet customer requirements. Cicada factory has complete production chain to produce dental products that customers need. Now I'm sure you must know who we are and what we do. We have gone through so much hard work and overcome all difficulties. From beginning to end, we only want growth, that is to fulfill our original commitment to serve global dental specialists. This is Trillium Lee. Here is Cicada. We are all the way at your service.